Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I distress my shorts a quick, easy, fast way. And I thrifted these shorts at Goodwill for $6.99. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to be measuring my shorts to see how many length I want off. I usually like to have my shorts about 2.5 to 3 inches long. And I'm going to be using my scissors that I bought at Home Depot for $5. And they cut pretty nicely. When you're cutting these shorts, you want to make sure you take out the pocket because you do not want to cut through that. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and fold it over and fold it in half. That way I can use that as my guideline to cut the other side. And then I like to cut my shorts in an angle because I like my shorts to be more higher up on the side. Then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and fry the hem using the edge of my scissors to make the shorts super distressed. Now I'm going to be using this cardboard to put underneath my shirt to protect the other side so I won't cut through it. I'm using the blade to distress my shorts. You can totally do this with scissors, but I find it a lot more easier doing it with a blade. And it's a lot faster too. So right now I'm just kind of eyeballing to see where I want my distress. I definitely recommend avoiding cutting in the middle because you do not want your underwear to be showing. And I'm going to go ahead and distress the pocket just a little bit. And once I'm all done distressing, I'm going to go ahead and throw my shorts in the washer and the dryer and make sure to put it on high heat. So this is how my shorts look like once I get them out of the washer and dryer. This is how they look like without tweezing. And here are some other shirts that I made. Some of them get more distressed than others depending on the cotton, but you can totally tweeze these threads, these loose threads that are really going to come out. Like, look how easy it is to tweeze them. And then this is another shirt that I made. This one got super distressed, as you can tell, compared to the other one. And then this little corner, I tweezed it. And then I'm going to tweeze this side of the shorts. That way they will look like that little corner that I tweezed. Because these how the shorts look like once you're done tweezing all the loose thread. They look so much better. So I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. And I'm going to be adding these super cute patches that I found at Goodwill in California. I'm going to go ahead and glue that with the E600 glue. So this is the final product. I absolutely love how my shirt came out. They're super fast and easy to make. If you guys really like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.